Hello my beautiful friends and welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings and giveaways. Speaking of giveaways, for the month of June, so I always do an eyeshadow palette every month. So for the month of June, it is the Ish I'm Smoking Hot palette. I will put a link to the video in the description box down below that will link you to the video that talks about how to enter in for this palette. Also, when this channel hits 200 subscribers, I've got a big box of stuff we're giving away. And then when we have our 100th video, which is coming up really soon, there's another giveaway. So there's all sorts of stuff going on. So subscribe so you know what's going on and when to enter what. But today, let's dive in to the Sephora Play. If you don't know about Sephora Play, or excuse me, it's Play by Sephora, it is $10 a month. There's usually about 5 beauties, and they're usually like high-end beauty samples that are in there. And every once in a blue moon, they might throw in a full size, but most of the time it's just sample sizes. Last month, and they always have a bonus item. Last month, they had a little perfume sample, squirted it right into my eye, and I couldn't even see for like about an hour out of that eye. But I'm fine, and if we get another perfume sample, make sure it's pointing the other direction. So let's dive into this box. So you always get 50 bonus points that you can use either online or in store. And there's always a card that talks about all about the products. The theme for this month is Destination Beauty. Pack your bags with a beauty that will make any trip a memorable one. I'm going on a trip. It's not that big of a trip, but it's a little one, and I'm kind of excited for it. My son is going to go and run in the Regional Junior Olympics. So we are headed up to Montana. We're gonna tour college for him while we're up there and then watch him compete in that meet. So do you guys have any big trips or anything planned going on? Let me know in the comments down below. So all the products come in this cute little bag. So work harder, play harder. Work hard, play harder. That's what I always tell my son. Love Farmacy products. Here is their Green Clean Makeup Removing Cleansing Balm. Ooh, I'm always on the lookout for a new balm. It's sunflower, ginger root, turmeric, and papaya. No, it's not ingredients for a cold pressed juice. It's a cleansing balm that removes all makeup and leaves skin feeling silky smooth. You warm up a generous amount into your fingertips, massage into skin with gentle circular motions, focusing on areas that need attention like eye makeup. Wash off with warm water or remove with a damp washcloth. I always do a 2-step system when I'm cleansing my face. I'll do a balm like this, but I always make sure to get my hands a little wet, my face a little damp first, and then massage everything in, rinse it off, and then follow up with a facial soap. So I am looking forward to trying this one out. I think I might even try this one tonight. By Tarte is their Babassu Found Clear Skincare Foundation SPF 20. I have shade 165 and it is fair to light sand. So they kind of match you based on your profile that you originally filled out when you signed up. So the only thing that needs to work hard when you're on PTO is the foundation. That's why its multitasking formula is first in its class favorite. How to use: sheer to light coverage, smooth on with fingertips, light to medium coverage, tap on with a moist beauty sponge, medium coverage, buff it on with a foundation. It says that this is new and exclusive to Sephora. Ooh, here's the packaging. So, found concealer. So, is it talked about a foundation? Is it also a concealer too? I don't know, I'm confused. So let's put a little drop of this on the back of the hand. Has a little pump here. Let's see how well this matches. So here's what it kind of looks like. Definitely full coverage. I think it's going to be pretty close. So here's my other hand, and here's the one with the foundation on it. A little bit light? I don't know. What do you guys think? And it's hard to tell just on the hand. I mean, obviously I don't have a primer on underneath this, but to me, this is really highlighting all the texture in my hand, which I don't like. So it'd be interesting to see how it does with a primer underneath it, to see if it would, you know, not highlight all that texture so much. But I'll definitely give this one a try. Herbivore, I've never heard of them before. This is the Rose Hibiscus Coconut Water Hydrating Face Mist. I've been getting a lot of rose hydrating mist lately. Instant Vacation combines soothing coconut water, youth-boosting hibiscus, and toning rose. Then mist skin like there's no tomorrow. Shake, spray face a few times, rub it in, and tell everyone it's your on island time. Sounds good to me. Let's give this a little spray. It does have a really light rose scent. It squirts out kind of, oh Nelly. Don't breathe it in. So it squirts out kind of heavy. It's not like a super fine mist. It's not really like thick and kind of chunky either. It's kind of like halfway in between. So there's this one. Ooh, I've been wanting to try this. This is by Laneige. It's their lip sleeping mask. Holidaying, use any excuse to sleep in a little longer. For instance, my overnight lip mask needs more time to moisturize. Wake me up in an hour. Need to know brand, a leader in K-beauty scene. For more than 20 years, Laneige steps up their skincare with the hydroionized mineral water that delivers intense moisturization. And there's not a whole lot here. It's 0.08 of an ounce, so there's not a whole lot here. I just kind of rubbed it in right there. But yeah, I've heard a lot of good things about this one, so I'm excited to try this guy. From Sephora collection. It is our all-day hydrator, hydrate and go. Heading out for a spur-of-the-moment trip, make sure at least pack the essentials like this lightweight daily moisturizer that delivers a natural glow. Get the hyaluronic acid, helps with water retention to prevent dehydration. It does have vitamin E and C to increase radiance in natural skin, and glycerin moisturize like a pro. And I just put a little dollop of that on. And I'm just gonna rub that in. Working pretty well. I wish it was a little bit thicker because I like really thick moisturizers. I will put that in my suitcase when I traveled this weekend. So they always do a bonus item, and it's either a perfume or a foil packet. Some foil packets. Klorane anti-pollution shampoo and conditioner with Aquatic mist. Sometimes your hair can use a little detox too. Enter the purifying shampoo and conditioner duo. Need to know brand. Beauty meets botanery, born in the southwest of France. Klorane has botanical goodness in every drop of its moisturizing plant-based formulas. I have seen these at Sephora, and I think they retail, the full size obviously retails for about $20 for the shampoo and then another $20 for the conditioner. So what were your guys' favorites? I am really looking forward to trying the lip mask. Let me know in the comments down below. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do join the family. And it really means a lot to me when you hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.